Hello. Which page number I told you? John Michael. Hello. John Michael, you have to switch on your mic. Please switch on your mic. John Michael, உங்க இத switch on பண்ணுங்க. John Michael, please switch it on. Hello.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Switch on பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? Very good.
பண்ணிட்டேன் சார், பண்ணிட்டேன்.
Very good. எந்த பேஜ் படிக்கிறோம்னு சொன்னோம் நம்ம?
சார் மொத்தம் 4 டாபிக் சொன்னீங்க.
இல்ல எந்த பேஜ் நம்பர் ஞாபகம் இருக்கா?
பேஜ் நம்பர்
இல்ல என்ன டாபிக்ஸ்? சொல்றேன், ஒரு நிமிஷம் என்கிட்ட இருக்கு. இப்போ நான் பின்னாடி
பெர்ஃபார்மிங் அசெட்ஸ்.
நான் பின்னாடி போறேன். அதாவது
நான் பெர்ஃபார்மிங் அசெட்ஸ்.
ஆமா, நான் இந்த புக் தானே கொடுத்தேன். இந்த புக்ல இருந்து ஒரே நிமிஷம்.
பேங்கர்ஸ்
பேங்கர்ஸ் டாபிக் நம்பர் some 7 or 8 நினைக்கிறேன்.
6 நினைக்கிறேன்.
இல்ல 8 all about marginal cost. அது படிக்க சொன்னேனா இல்லையா?
சார் அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நான் பெர்ஃபார்மிங் அசெட்ஸ்.
ஓ, அதுக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்கா? அச்சா, ரைட். கரெக்ட். அது ரெண்டு முடிச்சிடுவோம். கரெக்ட். Good. Topic number 6, NPA, non-performing asset, and SARFAESI Act 2002.
Okay.
It means once the borrower has failed to make the interest or principal payments for 90 days, the loan is a non-performing asset.
சொல்லட்டுமா சார்?
Please சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம்.
So the borrower, once the borrower fails to make interest or principal exceeding 90 days, it is categorized as non-performing asset.
Yeah, good. What is the case? Agricultural loans.
Agricultural loans la one second. So in terms of agriculture loans, on where interest or principal is not paid and which remains unpaid beyond the due date, 2 crop season.
Correct. 2 crop seasons.
Crop season in case of short duration crops.
Correct. That is maturing within 1 year.
Within 1 year.
Correct.
And one crop season in case of long duration crops.
Correct.
Maturing after 1 year.
Correct.
In all agriculture loans, 90 days period is applicable.
Very good. First, you are told very clearly, in the case of normally loans, the interest or principal is not paid for 90 days. It will be treated as NPA, substandard account. Whereas in the case of agricultural loans, there is a change. 2 crop seasons for short duration, 1 crop season for long duration crops. Very good. Do you know about
all other agricultural loans to 90 days?
Yeah. What about SARFAESI Act? Do you know about it?
Yes, sir. SARFAESI Act 2002, securitization and reconstruction of financial assets and enforcement of security interest was enacted to regulate the SARFAESI Act. To regulate the securitization and reconstruction of financial assets and enforcement of security interest created in respective of financial assets and to enable the to enable the
realization of such.
realization of such assets.
Very good.
அதுக்கப்புறம்,
Mm.
uh,
Next
this
one.
was
Yeah.
uh, this was formulated
Mm.
to enforce the secured assets and the bank
Mm.
without the intervention of courts and tribunals to take over the assets of the borrowers.
Mm. If any borrower fails to discharge his liability in repayment of any secured debt within 60 days of notice from the date of notice by the secured creditor, the secured creditor, that is the bank, is conferred with the powers under the SURFACE Act A to take possession
To take
of the
I'll
secured
tell you,
asset.
sir.
சொல்லுங்க.
To
Suppose-
take possession of
Mm.
to take possession of secured assets
Mm.
from the borrower
Mm.
and to transfer in by the way of lease, assignment, and sales of realization of such interest.
No, realizing the secured assets.
As the
See,
secured assets.
See, actually, you can take possession of the property, you can lease it out, you can assign it, or sell it. The bank can do
Okay.
it. Then,
Okay.
next one.
Overtaking the management of the borrower
Mm.
to transfer to by the way of transfer
Mm.
or lease, assignment
Mm.
and sales of by the realization of such assets.
Very good. Secured assets. Very good.
Secured assets.
Mm.
Appointment of a person
Mm.
to manage the secured assets on behalf of the borrower.
Good.
Half
Then-
of the secured.
Mm.
The last on the requirement of a person. Requirement of a person who has acquired the secured assets from the borrower and the amount to be paid to the bank. It is the point.
இது கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. புரியல. Require any person who has acquired any of the secured assets from the borrower and from whom money is due to the borrower to pay the secured creditor so much of the money as if sufficient to pay the secured debt. Supposing some Suleka hotel is having dues to Bank of India. Suleka hotel has already sold it to some other Radha hotel. That
Okay.
Radha hotel has not paid money to Suleka hotel. Then
Okay.
that second person, Radha hotel, can be asked to make payment of money to Bank of India.
Okay.
That is those people who have acquired rights of the property from the borrower. If they are having some dues, they should pay to the banker.
Okay.
Would you follow now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Very good. 1 minute. Hold on. Assets portfolio of the banks. What can you tell me? What are the assets portfolio? Hello.
Assets of the bank.
Ah,
So assets of the bank on the deposits.
no, 1 minute. Are you using broadband or only Geo?
So broadband.
Broadband. Oh, in a sound konjam vittu vittu varudha.
Uh-huh.
It doesn't matter. Good. If you are under broadband and if you are with a laptop, it will cover very well. Doesn't matter.
Yes, sir.
If you are on cell phone also, no problem. The assets means not deposits. Deposits are liabilities.
Okay.
Bank, as far as the bank is concerned, deposits is a liability because the
Okay.
bank has to pay the money to the depositor.
Depositors. Okay.
Asset is what? The loans which the bank has given to borrowers.
Borrowers. Okay.
So under that,
Assets are loans. Liabilities are deposits.
deposits are liabilities.
And deposits are liabilities. Deposits are liabilities.
Liabilities are not deposits. Where are they? Deposits are liabilities. Under the liabilities, you will have share capital of the company, share capital of the bank, then reserves, everything will come under liabilities.
Okay.
But in the case of bank, the asset side is what the loans that the bank has given to borrowers.
Okay.
Whatever assets it has bought or acquired, for example, car, building,
Okay.
land, etc., they are known as assets.
Okay.
Now the assets are classified into fourfold, namely the advances. They are classified into 4 categories. First category is known as standard assets.
Okay.
Second category, substandard assets.
Substandard assets.
Third category, doubtful. Fourth category, loss assets. What are standard assets? Standard
assets are those which does not disclose any problem. Those accounts which does not have any risk.
Correct. Good.
Attached to the business.
Correct. That is known as standard assets. In other words, the borrower is repaying installments correctly, interest correctly, no problem. Such account is known as standard asset.
Standard assets. So
substandard assets.
Substandard assets. The substandard accounts are those accounts which are classified as NPA.
Don't say accounts. Substandard asset.
Okay, substandard assets are those
accounts
which are classified as NPA period within 12 months,
not exceeding 12 months.
Not exceeding 12 months.
Then doubtful asset.
Doubtful asset are accounts which have been classified as NPA exceeding 12 months.
Which have been classified as NPA for exceeding
12 months.
Yeah.
12 months.
1 minute. It is not.
And loss assets are considered. Loss assets are considered as loss assets are considered by the bank's internal auditors and external auditors and inspection of RBI, and which is not written off from the bank's balance sheet.
Correct. An asset which is considered uncollectible and loss has been identified by the bank or internal or external auditors of the RBI or the RBI inspection, and the loss has not been written off, is regarded as loss asset. Good.
Loss assets.
Good, good. Now we will go to SARFAESI 2002, requirement of net owned funds for asset reconstruction
companies.
Yeah. Asset reconstruction
companies should have net owned fund of rupees 2 crores earlier.
2 crores.
Bookla அப்படிதான் இருக்கு 2 crores. I mean முன்னாடி.
Now I think now it is 100 crores.
As per இப்போ வந்து 200 crores sir.
இப்போ இன்னும் increase ஆயிருக்கு 200 ஆமா. Okay. Now it is 200 crores.
2019 March net owned fund of 200 crores and minimum of rupees 100 crores.
Okay, good, good. So what is this, See, whenever banks are not able to recover some monies, they will sell that account to asset reconstruction companies. Asset reconstruction companies will buy from the bank at a discounted rate. Supposing maybe 60%, 100 rupees loan, they will take it at 60 rupees and the bank will get back 60 rupees. The asset reconstruction company will later on try to recover the money from the borrower, and if they get even 85 or so, they will be making profit. But all these assets are loss assets which have been written off in the books of the banks. So for banks, it is good that they recover at least 60 rupees.
60%.
Yeah. Good.
But how are those companies, sir, Are they profit making, sir? Asset construction companies.
Asset reconstruction companies, whether they are making profit, we don't know. Even if they are not making profit, government will give surplus funds.
Oh,
Government
okay.
will give compensatory funds, just as they are doing in the case of banks, in the case
Okay.
of general insurance companies, in the case of
Okay.
MTNL, BSNL.
Okay.
What is
Okay.
happening? They are recapitalizing.
Okay.
So likewise, so
Okay.
I do not really know about which ARCs are
Okay.
making profit or not. Next one, do you know about reverse mortgage loan?
So this scheme of reverse mortgage loan.
Hmm. You don't
Uh,
have to tell exactly what is given there. Just
okay, it's
in
applicable.
uh,
Okay, it's applicable
hmm,
for senior citizens of our country
hmm. Of our country
who
la
is
அதுல
owning
கொடுத்து senior
who is
citizens
owning
uh,
citizens who is owning a house,
house
who has who has inadequate income to
uh,
meet their
needs.
uh,
Some important. What are the some important features of the reverse mortgage? Homeowner is above 60 years of age
60 years old. Uh,
and is eligible for reverse mortgage loan. It allows him to turn the equity in his home into one lump sum or periodic payments mutually agreed by the borrower and the banker. That is, he can take loan from the bank whenever every month the um, borrower is receiving in loan, that is a rent from the tenants, he can repay to the bank.
okay.
No repayment is required as long as the borrower lives. Borrower should pay all the taxes relating to the house and maintain the property as his primary residence. This is another case
Okay.
where the amount of loan is based on several factors:
Okay.
borrower's age, value of the property, current interest rates,
Interest
and
and
specific plan chosen.
plan.
There
Ah,
can be two types of loan. One
okay.
where the installment is repaid every month.
Okay.
Another case where no repayment is made, and after the life of the borrower, the bank will adjust it.
Okay.
As per the scheme formulated by National Housing Bank, the maximum period of the loan is 15 years.
15 years. Okay.
The residual life of the property should be at least 20 years.
20 years. Ah.
Do you understand what is residual life of the property? Do you follow what it is?
So
That
it
is
means
uh,
the 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 value of the age of the property.
the strength of the property should be
Ah,
such that it should last for 20 years. Where
okay.
the borrowers lives longer than 15 years,
Ah,
periodic payments will not be made by lender. However, the
okay.
borrower can continue to occupy. So
Okay.
this is what is given under reverse mortgage.
Reverse it. Okay.
Next one, hypothecation, pledge and
This
mortgage. Yeah.
this I just wanted for Saturday, sir.
Okay, we will study on Saturday. No problem. As it is already time 4:48, it's over. So I
Ah,
suggest you study hypothecation. That is, you note it. Topic number
okay.
7, topic
Ah,
7,
ah,
then topic 8,
ah.
then topic 9.
Topic 9 and 10 I have studied, sir. 9 and 10.
படிச்சாச்சா நீங்க?
9 10 படிச்சிட்டேன். அது வந்து ATMs.
ரொம்ப சின்னதா இருக்கு. சரி அப்ப சொல்லிடுங்க.
அதான்.
Topic 9 சொல்லுங்க. Important points on ATM in India. What is
So
an automated?
automated teller machine is computerized machine.
Good.
Which provides the facility of cash dispense and transaction, non-financial transaction and financial transaction to customers without visiting the bank branch.
Good. What is white label ATM?
White label ATMs are ATMs which are owned and operated by non-bank.
Okay. Non-bank ATMs are operated or authorized under Payment and
These
Settlements
are
Act.
authorized under the Payment and Settlement Act of RBI 2007.
Very good. Is there any time limit for the card issuing banks for recrediting the customer's account for a failed ATM or white label ATM transaction?
For the failed ATM transactions, RBI has provided 7 days, 7 working days.
Hmm.
In case,
You are looking after ATM complaints, na?
yes, sir.
If there are any recent changes, you tell me. Here they have
Yes, sir.
given 7 days.
It is 7 days only, sir.
Okay. Are the customers eligible for compensation beyond 7 days? Adula change irukonu.
So they're eligible for ₹100 on daily basis
Oh,
until the banks make credit to the account holders.
correct.
But customer would have to give written complaint. Only then this compensation would be received. Otherwise, no.
If the complaint is not lodged within 30 days of the transaction, customer is not entitled for any compensation for delay in resolving his complaint. Good. Very good. Now let me tell you briefly. ATM is a machine which is a computerized one through which the customer can draw money and make other transactions like enquiry, etc. White label ATMs are operated by non-banks. They are permitted under Payment and Settlement Act 2007 of RBI, by the RBI. Then the time limit for the card issuing bank for recrediting customers' account for a failed transaction is 7 days. Beyond 7 days, they are eligible for ₹100 per day delay. And the customer has to make a complaint within 30 days of the transaction. In fact, one staff member told me that there was a case where the complaint was made like this, but there has been change in the person in charge of the section, so that it was not being followed properly. With the result, it resulted in lot of delay. Then he went to say that ombudsman. He went to banking ombudsman, and there the award was made to him, and the bank had to give ₹100 per day, running to more than 9 months, 10 months. And also, apart from that, it was recovered from the officer. The person who was holding it, it was recovered from the officer. So we have to see that complaints are attended to immediately. Very good. Now, topic 10 is very small. Tell me about that. What is the IFSC code?
Indian Financial Standard Code, System Code.
Good. How many digits are there?
There are 11 digits. This is alpha numerical number.
Okay. What is the fifth
code.
character?
Fifth character is 0.
Okay. Last character, 6 characters.
Last 6 digits represents the branch. Branch.
Very good. Very good.
First 4 is the bank name. The middle is 0 and the last 6 represents the bank branch.
Excellent. What is your branch code?
BKID 000 branch code, sir.
Your bank IFSC code.
BKID 0008000.
Oh, very good. Excellent. First 4 characters refers to Bank of India. 0 is a control number. Last 6 characters representing your branch.
Bank branch.
Excellent. Now tell me about MICR.
MICR is magnetic ink character recognition.
Good.
This is consists of 9 numerical numbers.
9 numerical digital code. Correct.
First 3 represents the city. Next 3 represents the bank,
Super.
and
Hmm.
the last 3 represents the branch.
Branch. Good.
And these are printed in the check leaves provided by the bank branch.
Yeah. The MICR code allotted to a bank branch is printed on the MICR band of a check leaves issued by the bank branches, because that is used for sorting of the checks.
Okay.
In the matter of sorting of the checks, in clearing, that number is useful.
Okay.
Good, very good. You have covered that also. Now, what you have to do, you please note down topic 11,
Okay, sir.
banking ombudsman,
Ombudsman. Okay.
topic 11, then topic 12, DICGC.
Okay.
Please note the change. 1 lakh has
Okay,
been
sir.
increased to 5 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
Then topic number 13, that is not required. Okay, that may not be required because, oh, you are going for State Bank interview, na? Then you must know this. Topic 13 also you read, because that is speaking about merger.
Okay.
Then topic number 14, bus 11, 12, 13, 14. In between some 8 we have omitted. We can read it after.
Two chapters we have omitted.
Oh,
That will
7,
will
7
include
and
this time, sir.
yeah, 7 and 8 we have omitted. Okay.
7 and 8, 11, 12, 13.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you. I forgot about it completely. Hereafter,
You are
hereafter you should call me 3:30 itself.
okay. Okay, sir.
Otherwise, I
You are
forget.
suffering from cold, sir.
No, not much. Not much. No problem.
But your voice is dull.
Yeah. No problem. So what I suggest, next class will be on Saturday.
Saturday.
Thank you.
So thanks, sir. Only one thing, sir. One mail I had sent to you regarding RBI's umbrella of retail payments. Some new license they are providing for retail payments.
So I will go through that. I will go through that.
Okay.
Thank you. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.